math workshop is basically how you structure your math. So in our 60-minute lesson, the first 15 to 20 minutes is a mini lesson. And then after that, we go into stations that are differentiated to meet all of the learners' different needs. So every day I'm meeting with 2 groups in a small group setting. Right now we're working on an addition and subtraction unit with regrouping and borrowing. And so for my friends who need a little bit more assistance, when they come back to me, we're gonna take it down to 2-digit, or we're gonna take it back away from the regrouping and borrowing. For my kiddos that might need a bit of a challenge, we're gonna start right away independent, and they're gonna show me that they absolutely mastered what we already covered in the lesson for the day, and then we'll take it to either 4-digit subtraction or addition, subtraction, 5-digit, 6-digit, really as high as we want to go. In their folders, every kid has differentiated instructions. So my friends that need higher level thinking, they have different projects in there. They have a must-do side and a may-do. The must-do is things that cover exactly what we're working on in class, either on a lower scale or a higher scale for the kids that need a little bit more challenge. And then their may-do side are activities that are varying. So some might include multiplication, some are problem solving, some is a review of the last unit. Get them doing things at their own level, differentiated for them.
So when you think about the workshop model and you think about Reader's Workshop, I always start with a mini lesson. They're all receiving that. Then after that, I kind of give them a task and they're all sent out to do that while they're working independently with their independent reading level books. I am pulling groups. And so this is kind of my structure for groups. As you can see, it's color coded. My yellow group is my kind of most needy friends that I need to meet with the most. I'm able to pull them, meet with them, work on their specific skills.
I have been working alongside the math coach at our school, and her and I have come together to decide how we can measure student growth. And so in the beginning of the unit, we gave the kids a pre-unit assessment. And then in the middle of our unit, we wrote a mid-unit assessment with the same structure but different numbers. And we're able to look at the growth of each student. And every student in our current unit has shown growth on all of the levels of our assessment.
I feel like it challenges me because I get put in groups that are just right for me and what I need to get challenged.